It's the time of the year that we hug and we kiss, yeah, we living. It's the time of the year. It's starting to feel like Christmas. It's the time of the year that we hug and we kiss, yeah, we living. It's the time of the year.
DQ family.
Like 3 different rows in the lake. Cause they don't got the right, what's it called?
It's the birthday girl. The birthday girl. The birthday girl.
The birthday girl.
The birthday girl. The birthday girl. The birthday girl.
The birthday girl.
I'm sitting by the fire right now. Mike has Dream. They slick look alike.
Yes, sir.
Dream. Why you went back further like you trying to get up under the covers? It is a little chilly. My mom and dad's gonna, of course, cook me breakfast. They do it every year. We're gonna cook breakfast. We're gonna eat first. Then we'll get to opening up the presents, and then we're doing the seafood boil later on, probably a little later for lunch or dinner or whatever. So yeah, I'm bringing y'all on the journey to the Taylor girls, Taylor family Christmas. Actually, this is probably one of the first years of us all being together opening up the presents, because I think last year before Dream got here, we did our thing here, they did their thing there, and then of course we went over there after we did all our stuff here. So this year we're all in one house. They stayed the night. It was beautiful. We watched movies, sat by the fire, and a whole lot of other stuff, but I'll be back once Mama and them get in the kitchen, because I don't even remember what the breakfast tastes like. I don't remember. I hopefully it's good. I got to see my,
Throwing shots. Merry Christmas, guys. You know, she always got to be negative. And I'm just not going to even start it this morning. But I hope everyone in their family is having a Merry Christmas. The breakfast is going to be good. She know that.
yeah, otherwise I would have cooked it myself, but what time are we getting started? Because my stomach is growling. Dreamy, ready for your present opening. You ready for your present opening? You got a lot of stuff. You got a lot of stuff. You got a lot of stuff.
Need some help, Dream? I can open them for you.
Get it.
Dream, why you just
Get
be
it.
dancing?
Get it. That's all she do. Wake up, go to sleep, just like your TT. Girl. You falling out on your uncle? They getting to see you falling out. You falling out. Dream. You falling out, Saint. You falling out.
Oh, my mama. Oh, my mama.
But don't do that.
Okay, y'all. We'll be back once we get breakfast started. My man got me down. I don't know what's in there, but I'm ready to open. Ah! Okay, so I look over there. Look what my man did. He
Make
used
sure
to
you're sneaking into your presents.
shut the hell up. Let me see. He used to call me Booski though. Hater.
Yeah, tell a TMI.
Let's see what it's saying.
What does that stand for?
It probably don't say nothing. He probably just put that on the floor.
Why are you going through this?
They probably ain't got that in there.
She giving you a hug. She want to lay.
My man said, to a wonderful woman, you never seem to stop, always keeping it moving. Never would have imagined to spend so many birthdays with you. You've been a blessing to me and others, and it's only right I treat you on this day. Here's a gift to you in the cold season. In springtime, I have a cruise for you, so bring these gifts to the dock. All aboard. Oh, he got me a trip on a cruise.
You spoiled it for yourself.
So we're going on a cruise.
Yeah, you just ordered.
quiet.
She was looking at it
He
yesterday.
don't gotta know. Shut your mouth.
Oh, wow.
I'ma tell her.
Tell your mama
If
she
you say
just...
anything, I'm gonna ask
can't
them.
be
I'm gonna still
patient.
act surprised. Just be quiet. This man playing hood Christmas music. Right? Mama is mom and dad. You ain't say nothing to the camera. It's Christmas. Dad, that is
wow.
so negative. Tell the people something good. It's Christmas.
Happy birthday, Daisha.
It's not all about the presents. It's all about the family.
That's it, man.
What, Mama?
It's all about the family, not the presents.
I
not
didn't get
the
you
money.
nothing though.
You already told me that.
Yeah, good.
Well, he letting you know. Hear what my son say.
My son ain't worried about what you got going on. Get off my beard, bro.
Eggs. They got fire going, ain't got nothing on it. Butter. She got the bacon in her. Pancake mix.
Oh, that little bell pepper no had it. I'm
What you about to make?
cut around.
What you about to do?
I guess you're making some fancy kind of pancake.
What? Now he don't know how to do all that. I don't know why you trying to try something new. You must be doing that for Rain and Dream.
Doing this for everybody.
We grown.
Yep, that's why you getting it.
That gonna be
That is
some
not
tiny
That's
pancakes.
not gonna work.
Man, leave it alone, bro.
It's not gonna work.
I'm sure you gonna work.
When he pour the pancake mix in there, it's over with. You ain't got, it ain't thick enough. And it's gonna leak out.
What you doing? If this wasn't so all banged up.
Don't try
Should
to
have
blame.
brought eyes.
Bruh, he ain't never made them a day in his life.
Well, that's
Yes,
an
he has,
experiment.
Here. He gets to-
Alright, put on some Christmas carols.
I
Oh,
had
she
one.
recording. Oh, no.
No, I have never in my life seen nobody do this. Now, he was just experimenting, trying something. Let's see what it turned out like.
I was gonna wait till my grits done, but I just wanna do this for Daisha. Just so she'll see, for real about this. For real about
Put it on
this.
that middle one.
No, you don't
It's
tell
bigger.
me what to do.
Alright, just turn it off. It ain't doing that. That water about to stop boiling. Turn that down.
Wait,
Pause it.
wait, Mike, till she,
Alright, he about to, let's see what he doing. Okay. Might be on to something. So when we go.
Talk like Nelly and smell like Shelly.
If these work, I am gonna be like, what the hell is going on here?
What you mean?
Now
if it
see, I
work?
know you was gonna mess it up. You're gonna be too messy. Messing up the Christmas tree.
No, what you should have did was, you should have made Daisha since she the birthday girl.
That's who I'm making this for.
Oh, I thought you was making them for everybody.
No, I'm making this for you, boo.
Uh-oh, special cakes for me.
Or you could have made her like a big pancake,
That's
and then
too
we
big.
would have put happy birthday on it.
You ain't give me a cake?
Nah, bro.
What?
We ain't doing no cakes this year.
Nah, that is trifling. I ain't gonna have no cake.
I know you didn't.
How y'all ain't get me no cake? Well, then make one. I got some stuff you can make a cake.
I had actually called me, you called me, but she was taking
Y'all, I got these for my daughter, Daisha.
So this what they trying to say my cake
It's
is.
your cake, boy.
I ain't going for it.
This your
I ain't
cake,
going
boy.
for it. I got
That's
some
your
batter
cake,
in there.
boy.
Y'all finna make me a cake.
That's your cake,
Y'all
boy.
finna make me a
Well,
cake.
we'll make you one.
I'm finna sit it right on now.
We'll make
Y'all
it.
tried it.
That's your cake,
Do
boy.
you have a cake for your
Did
birthday?
we ever get you a cake for Christmas?
Yes, I had red velvet every single year. Nana was here. I had a red velvet cake. She ain't never failed me.
Now you finna sit here and say, Mama, now Dave, you know it be me the one get you that
You and Nana both be in the cake.
cake. Now don't do that.
You and Nana both be in the cake.
And call me. I had called her yesterday, and I was gonna have her go down the street and
Tell
get
us
one.
Mimi fault.
And I didn't get that with her. And
alright,
she sure ain't.
Rain.
And she ain't called and say, Mama, you still want me to go get the
I'll see
cake?
that.
Look at this. I got some icing.
That's gonna be a mess.
I got some of this. I don't know what
Don't
one.
even know what it is.
I got two of them. They gonna make me a cake.
Where's better?
Now, hopefully I got
They
some.
make you that cornbread again.
Alright, I got some. Maybe I can take some brownies. Let me see. What? You finna make me a cake.
You said you had a lot of sweets.
Yeah,
you
you
like,
said-
Mama, I don't need all that.
I ain't say no. Now you never asked me about no. Why are you sitting here capping? You
said
never
what?
said nothing about no cake, Mom. Stop it. Stop.
Oh, your mama
But why you ain't fix my plate?
Your mama had
Fix my plate.
your mama had you in the game.
Come on, get a glass of this plate.
No smoke.
Go and get a small ice in your orange juice.
What about my gravy?
So I got
What
some
gravy?
pancakes,
You mean grits?
eggs, okay.
You talking about the white stuff right here?
Where my drink at, Mom?
It's not
That's what I
gravy.
said. You want ice?
Let me
But
see.
I'm still trying to figure out, babe, why you didn't fix my plate?
You was already
Hi, Dream. You back up, Stinky?
already locked in, baby.
Don't drop my
Hey, Stink. Hey, Stink. You want to eat some pancakes? You want a pancake? You want a pancake? Huh? You want a pancake? You ready for breakfast?
Yes.
It definitely look good. Let's see if it tastes good.
Get some lemonade.
Mimi, fix Ray something here. Hold on, no.
What I want? Well, she already got. You said something to drink?
Yes. And syrup.
Okay, we about to
Every time we
taste
stop,
it. We about to taste it. Yeah.
They don't do that. Now you know.
Why you got?
She trying to put like y'all don't got.
Can I get some more cheese?
Y'all don't got that yet.
Some more pepper, a little salt. Just a little more pepper.
You got a lot of eggs.
My mind. You ready to eat? Oh, hold on, little girl. It's my birthday. It's not your birthday.
Where's my fork?
Put a little pepper, a little salt. Dream. Here.
You want bacon
Can y'all get me a fork?
and sauce?
Please.
Yes. Kids, somebody get Rain a fork.
Rain and fork, right, like that, so.
Can I get a little more cheese, please? And a little bit of salt. Thank
Birthday
you.
girl.
Woo!
What is you doing, Dream?
Hey, what happened? Okay. Y'all know I'm a cheese fanatic. Gotta add a little cheese. I love a cheese grit. Quick don't like cheese grits, but I love a cheese grit. This man ain't really black if he don't want no cheese grits.
Dad must
Mimi.
I know Dad taught you about that
A little
eggs and
salt. Little salty water.
No, then she tried to call me out. I said I'm not a heavy eater, and she over talking about some Mimi.
What?
Mimi, wait, hold on, Mimi. You
That's what I said. She
Get my whole drink.
not that. No, not even that. When we went to the movie theater, she ordered all the. I'm like, oh my god.
But you good though. You do a lot of dancing, so your metabolism moves.
Nah,
So you straight.
he's trying to give you a way out.
I do a lot of that.
Okay, Dream about to take the first taste of the pancake.
Me too.
You ready, Dream? Here you go. Dang, what are you doing over here? I got it. What it tastes like, boo? I don't know. Dream making a face.
I already ate this and I already ate the pancakes.
Give me that.
I already ate sausage and pancakes.
Okay, let me taste. Okay.
They did that in Tennessee. They came late, and then it looked like everything
My
gone.
vlog is going. All right, take the pancake.
Can somebody cut my pancake?
Amen.
Don't do your head like that. Let me see
Amen.
the back of her neck.
Mmm.
What's on the back of her neck?
What?
Amen.
Can I get a
I said amen. Amen.
Mmm.
Here go a cut right here.
Hold on.
That's so
Hey,
good.
Mom.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
And Dad, I'm gonna pray
You
first.
didn't even taste nothing.
Yes.
It's good.
Yes, I taste the sausage. No, I taste the sausage.
My girl says she
It's
tastes
good.
that sausage.
G-Paw put the honey on it.
Mmm.
You get one of these.
You gotta try with the brown sugar.
Drink your critiques.
You said she finna start critiquing.
I had no critique. I had not said no critique. I said, Mimi said he put the...
Try it with some honey.
No, Mimi said he put the honey on there. No, somebody said he put the honey on there. And I said, well, he need to try it with the brown sugar. How was that a critique?
I use brown sugar sometimes.
No.
I use brown sugar sometimes.
Just give up for them bell peppers.
Kyle ate your gingerbread and your Christmas tree.
It wasn't even a Christmas tree.
Oh.
It was messed up.
Big.
Wait, what Christmas tree?
I had made Daisha some little ornaments. She got a.
And then they was like at the box, like.
Look, she got a whole star. She ain't eat a star.
That's fine.
You want that star, Ray?
No.
I'm gonna fix my plate.
Well, they didn't look that appealing.
So this don't look appealing.
That look pretty
I didn't
cool.
want her to, be trying to
I need
bash the
syrup.
pancake. The real ones look better. You know how she got unique.
Can I just, mama, do you pass me that syrup? Bang.
Your mama going off on.
And said Kyle wanna
She
say
know
my
how
Christmas
she
tree
wanna
was broke. Said Kyle wanna say my Christmas tree was broke.
Them actually cool though.
Yeah, that way.
That's like those the only two that were good. Like.
Babe, give me the syrup.
Look, get her. She got a Christmas tree. Christmas.
Oh, look at her.
That shit get recorded. You eating a Christmas tree?
Where my
I'm just glad you off of milk.
She off of milk.
Well, not so much milk all the time. Get some food in her. Cause she be running through that milk.
This
man.
lady over here eating a
Her
Christmas
little
tree.
pamper be so soggy in the morning.
I'm finna
I'm
change her
like,
because she need to be changed.
No beef sausage ain't.
Yeah.
I love beef.
Ain't pork.
Oh, she's always pork. No, it's beef. Quick, don't be eating
I can
pork.
tell that it's beef. Whole time you kind of beef on that skillet.
That tastes way better.
Yeah,
It
beef
tastes
sausage.
different. Tastes different. I think turkey bacon.